What's your name? Jacob. Are you German too?
Yes.
Just say Jakob, come on. Just don't Jacob me, okay? I fucking hate that when German. My name is Philippe. No, it's Philip. Fucking Philip with 300 P's. Because this is how Germans feel special, right? They put as many P's as they can in the end of a Philip. I hate Germans. No, I'm sorry. I love Germans. It's just, there's too many of you. Yes. Are you, what the fuck? This guy's eating pistachios? With a suit? Look at this guy, what the fuck? You look like you're gonna get robbed at the end of the show. And you deserve it. Can you believe this guy? He's sitting there with him, like, those shoes are made out of like 50 animals. With a suit and a watch and eating pistachios, which is the most arrogant thing you could eat right now. What's your name? Get out. What do you do, Philip? I mean, what kind of banking are you into?
No banking.
No banking. Tell me, surprise me. What are you, a DJ? Come on.
I'm working for Cardi B.
Cardi B? Cardi B.
Yes.
Okay, Cardi B would be incredible. I would have sucked your dick if you said that you are the thing that you are and you would be working for Cardi B. Okay. Is that her? That's my Cardi B impression. It's terrible. You work for Cardi B.
KaDeWe is a fancy department store in Berlin. It's the second largest department store in Europe.
You look like if KaDeWe was a person. Yes. What do you do with KaDeWe?
I sell fish, cheese, and delicacies.
Really? What's your favorite delicacy? Pistachios. Look at this bag. This is like a 1 kilo bag of pistachios. Show them the packaging. Look at this. Give it to me. Give it to me. Look at this motherfucker. Look at this. Look at this paper quality. This is what they used to print the 100 euro bills. This is, oh my god, this is Turkish.
Yes, it was a gift from my employee.
Wait, what does it say?
The better one is the nature itself.
It's not the best one?
The better one is the nature itself. Those guys are so arrogant. They're like, the only thing better than this is nature. And Philip was like, those are the pistachios I deserve. I salute you, sir. Well done. Is this your girlfriend? Okay.
It's my fault that
Huh?
he's eating.
It's your fault that he's eating?
I promised to buy pizza and I didn't make it.
You promised to buy pizza and he didn't make it. Okay, so the guy who works at a department store that sells food from all over the world was promised pizza by his girlfriend, who is not his mom at all. And it's your fault. How dare you, miss? What's your name?
Verena.
Verena. All right. Good. Good. I have nothing against that.